God damn it, not again. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I was just playing on my Gold 3 account in Valorant. But don't worry, I'm not a noob. This is my Smurf. My main is Plat too, but I'm kind of chat banned right now, so I can't play on that account. Can you guys pick your characters already? We need smokes, guys. We need smokes. No, don't pick Yoru. Please don't pick Yoru. Oh my god, he picked Yoru. I don't know how I'm not Radiant already. I've basically watched all of Game Leap's videos, and I match MVP every single game, but somehow my team always finds a way to lose. Yo, I played with that Joker kid last game. He's fucking dog water. Let's get this. How come when they're against me, they're literal gods, but when they're against them, they're bots? If I were to pick one pro I relate to, it would be Steel. I don't know why, but it seems like our teammates are always holding us back. God, fuck your mom, kid.
Cause you were my baby. Cause when we were younger, you were mine.
Can you stop? I'd swear, Steel and I are the only two good players in this game. I always go Deagle first round. Oh, fuck. Somebody shoot that, please. Oh my god, back me up. Where is my team? Unlucky, really.
10 seconds left.
Anyway, though, I should get back to playing this game. I was AFK because they picked my jet, but I think if I get reported again, I might just get banned. See you later. Wow, you guys actually managed to lose this round. Okay.